Be loving you till 70. Play back the song there. Like they used to before. Lord Clod, look at this. Oh, what is? A snowfall. What? Oh, what is? Oh, look at what the fuck? Oh my God. What's good? I thought I heard you drive off just now.
I did. I just trying to see if I go to work.
To go to work? It's over, baby. Unless you're gonna jump in that white thing right there, you ain't going nowhere. Unc, what up, baby? Chilling. My guy right here, that's how you know he a loyal dude, man. He told me he going to work in the snow.